Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today's bag tour is of the Vintage Coach Stewardess Bag, style number 9525. This bag was made in the original New York City factory sometime in the 1980s. So what's unique about this bag is that it actually comes with a longer crossbody strap. The Stewardess bag typically came with a shorter shoulder strap, but this one looks like it was probably one of the replacement straps that you could buy from Coach, or it could also be a replacement strap taken from another Vintage Coach crossbody bag. But anyway, so that's what's unique about this crossbody stewardess bag, and the strap is also adjustable, um, as you can see here. So here's where you could adjust the strap. So here's the front of the bag again. It does have a turn lock closure, as you can see. That's how you would open the turn lock closure. It's pretty easy. You just twist the little top piece. Here's what the sides of the bag look like. It's got this nice large buckle where the strap attaches, and then here's the back, and it's just a straight across seam along the top of the back of the bag. And then we'll turn the bag over and I'll show you it does have purse feet on the bottom. So that's a nice little feature to have to kind of elevate the bag a little bit when you set it down. And then we'll open it again and I'll show you it's got a few internal pockets as well. So it's got this smaller little slip pocket, this larger one under the front flap, and then it's also got a back zip pocket on the interior of the bag right here, as you can see. And then it's also got the Coach Creed stamped here along that back zip pocket. Here's a close-up photo so you can see what it looks like. So that is the beautiful Vintage Coach Stewardess bag, and this bag is available now in our online store, so you're welcome to check it out. The link will be posted below in the description box. But otherwise, thanks for watching and take care.